So today I'm going to show you how to add stunning light effects in Photoshop, the kind that instantly make your photos look cinematic and dynamic. But before I show you the full process, there's one specific setting inside Photoshop that can take an ordinary image and make it look like it was lit by a professional studio. Most people completely miss it, and it's kind of like that one hidden setting that fixes everything. Once you see what it does, you'll never edit lighting the same way again. I'll reveal that in just a moment. First, open the image you want to enhance. You might think adding light effects means brushing random highlights or copying overlays, but that usually makes the image look artificial. So here's the real process that instantly upgrades the lighting. Create a new layer, click on the color box, and choose the color for your light. Pick whatever you prefer. Select the brush tool, choose the soft brush, select opacity and flow to 100, then adjust the brush size. Click on the middle or the area where you want the light. From blending mode, select linear dodge. Right click on the layer, choose blending options, and uncheck transparency shapes layer. Now, add another blank layer, set its blending mode to linear dodge, and again, uncheck transparency shapes layer. Select this new layer, pick the brush tool again, increase the brush size, and click the middle or focus area of your image. Instantly, the scene gets depth, glow, and a professional lighting effect that looks natural. See the before and after the photo we created. And that's it. A simple but powerful way to add clean, cinematic light effects in just a few steps. If you want more Photoshop tricks like this, hit like, subscribe, and comment what effect you want me to cover next. See you on the next one.